Hey everyone, this is KaiNexus product expert Matt Banna. We have a great release that we think you're going to love. Let's dive right in. There are 17 more improvements that have been added to KaiNexus in this release, and now I want to show you some of the coolest ones. The first thing that we have is tree view enhancements. Tree view is a way to show data on a card. We've seen a lot of usage in it. One thing that we've heard a lot is that people wanted to be able to see tasks and improvements in their tree view instead of just projects. You now have that ability. If we jump in and hit this plus button on the tree view, you can dive all the way down into the projects, incidents, and tasks inside the tree view of a project card. Next, we've added task dependencies. Ever wish a task to be dependent on completing an improvement or wanting to start a new project only after a previous one has been completed? Use the new dependencies feature to do exactly that. Create a dependency by moving the project into a planned status. So we'll click on this need guideline for returning equipment here. And once we jump in, you'll see that this project already depends on a previous one to finish, and it has a shared break room project after that depends on this one to be completed. So you'll see at the bottom under dependencies this new section, what depends on another, and then at the top you'll see that this is waiting on find a better way to update our audits, and the shared break room project is waiting on this to finish. Now, in order to set this up, we can click into a project and head over to plan. Once you hit plan, you'll see a new section titled after something. You can select a new project to be dependent on and estimate the time to complete or add a due date for when the project will get started. This will work for any improvements, projects, or tasks. Lastly, we've added bowling charts. This has been a highly sought after feature and we're proud to deliver. When users create a new chart and add a series, they'll see a new option, bowling. So if we go into the edit pencil and add a series, you'll see this bowling has already been selected for this chart. You can use the target feature to determine whether you want the target to be greater than or less than a specific number. The new color selection allows you to pick any color under the rainbow, and you can even add a secondary target or get a notification if the target is not met. A bowling chart is a way to measure KPIs against their actual versus targeted metrics. This bowling chart here shows efficiency and quality KPIs such as throughput times, defect per 100 units, downtime, and overtime. We can't wait to see what you use your bowling charts for. As we said last release, make sure you check out our support section to find out more about these features and our customer blog at blog.kainexus.com/customer to learn advanced KaiNexus techniques. Please be sure to check out our webinars. We have an upcoming webinar titled How to Leverage Lean for Long-Term Success Under Short-Term Pressures on August 10th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Lastly, please subscribe to our continuous improvement blog on iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts. This has been Matt Banna with KaiNexus. Keep improving, everybody.